let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today for our pineapple pound cake. I'll list them as I use them on the screen. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. We're going to start by sifting 3 cups of flour. And with that 3 cups of flour, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. To my stand mixer, I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. To the sugar, I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter and 6 ounces of cream cheese. Remember to have all of your ingredients at room temperature. It makes it a lot easier to mix your cake together. We'll beat these ingredients together until they are nice, light, and fluffy, and that would be about between 7 to 10 minutes. As the butter and sugar and cream cheese whips together, we'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now that I've added the vanilla, I'm going to go ahead and drain the crushed pineapple. My cream cheese, butter, and sugar have been whipped, and I've turned that off. So let's go ahead and drain the crushed pineapple. We're going to go ahead and get our eggs cracked. We need 5 eggs for this batter. And you know how I do. I like to crack them all in a separate container so that just in case we have some eggshells that get crazy, we can make sure that they don't get in our batter. We're going to add our eggs one at a time, as much of a one at a time as they'll go. And we'll beat a little bit after each time that we add eggs. Now we're at the step where we add our flour alternating with our buttermilk. We're going to alternate our flour mixture with 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And don't forget, a very important part of mixing our cake is to scrape down our bowl. Now that most of our flour and all of our buttermilk has been added, we can go ahead and add our cup of pineapple, crushed pineapple. Then we'll add our last bit of flour. We'll let that mix for a few seconds and then we'll go ahead and finish mixing by hand. Okay, I'm going to prepare my pan by spraying a little Baker's Joy on it, and we'll get our batter in the pan and into the oven. The oven today is at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the cake has cooled for about 30 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and let it cool now out of the pan for 15 more minutes, and then I'll add a glaze of powdered sugar and pineapple juice. So here's the end product, y'all. I know that my family will enjoy this cake, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please feel free to do so. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Y'all be blessed. Bye.